Bird. Lemon Bird is a history of the England in which he told the Gallic, Galtics, Romans conquest and the Normans conquest. He has written even about Anglo-Saxon, Jute, Normans, and then French and medieval. Everything he has discussed in his book. So you must study Lemon's Bird. It's the first book on the history of English literature. So I have just given you a little bit idea later to the Norman period. Now we are coming towards the medieval age. Medieval age, it is said about the Geoffrey Chaucer that Geoffrey Chaucer is born round about 1340 and died 1400. Geoffrey Chaucer, it is said about Geoffrey Chaucer is known as the father of English literature. Geoffrey Chaucer is also known as a father of English poetry. John Dryden admired him and he calls him father of English poetry. His father was also John Chaucer. His father was a John Chaucer. His father was a tradesman. He was doing trades, going different places and had a beautiful relation with the king. Geoffrey Chaucer has seen three kings. Geoffrey Chaucer has seen three kings. So who were the three kings? First is Edward III, who was his friend. Edward III was his friend. Then he has seen the life of Richard II king. He has seen Henry IV. So these three kings he has seen. Moreover, Geoffrey Chaucer has also joined court as well. Joining the courts, he even traveled to the various land. He traveled England, he traveled France, he traveled Italy. When he went Italy, when he traveled to Italy and he went to Italy, over there he met with Petrarch. He influenced from Petrarch and he studied his work and then he started working on his own poetry. Because that time, Renaissance age was started in Italy and Renaissance was going on, especially in Italy. Because Renaissance started off in Italy and then it moves towards France, and from France it comes to England. I'm talking about the Renaissance age. Renaissance age started in Italy, in 14th century. And from 14th century to onward, it comes to France, and from France it comes to England. So on and so forth, it spread all over the Europe. French Renaissance movement, you know very well, rebirth of knowledge. It is a French word. It means rebirth of the knowledge. Geoffrey Chaucer belonged to merchant family. And Chaucer word is taken from the French language. And Chaucer mean shoemaker. What is the meaning of the Chaucer? Shoemaker. So this man has seen three period. He has written even on three period. Geoffrey Chaucer is known with the Latin Greek period. Geoffrey Chaucer is known with the French period. Geoffrey Chaucer is known with the medieval English period. It means he has written in the three period. His Latin Greek period, his Italian period, or what call French period, and then we have his English period. This Geoffrey Chaucer, this man Chaucer, he has seen three major incidents in his life. One is a Black Death. I have already explained yesterday. Yesterday I explained you in detail about Black Death. Black Death is just like a pandemic, like coronavirus. People were dying, and the priests and ecclesiastical people, they were saying that you should not wash your hand, come to congregation, come to gathering, come to church. And over there, people were being infected and they were dying. It is said that around about 30% people of European country, they died. So Black Death was very dangerous. So it was very dangerous, and these clergymen and these ecclesiastical people, they were spreading this, disease, this pandemic. They were not letting people to wash hand. We should close to the nature, live close to the nature. We should attend congregation. We come to church. We should pay poor due. We should give charity. We should visit church. We should attend hymns and like that. So this way they were spreading this disease. So this man has seen 3 phases. One is a Black Death. Please write it down.